one of my favorite dunks. Y'all know I'm an SB dude. This is probably the only dunk in my collection. Jackie Robb, Los Angeles Dodgers. We know who Jackie Robb is. We know what he stood for. But when they give my GOAT a Dodger colorway too, it's up from there, man. Hit the B-roll. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaking Notes. I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And in 4K, we're going to do an in-depth unboxing review on the Kobe LA Dodgers, man. I remember I saw pictures of this sneaker last year around Kobe Day, and I was trying to hunt them down. Then we didn't have no release date. Undefeated did a raffle, and your boy came out lucky, man. Shout out to EQL, because if you've been rocking with me last year around this time, I thought EQL was a fake raffle thing. I couldn't win nothing. But your boy been catching some, man. The Armand Menier joints, anytime Joe Fresh goods drop. But these is what's special to me, man. Kobe means a lot to me, man. Dodger colorway, Dodgers on top. Dodgers going to be on top for a while, man, with Otani over there. But these are fresh, man. I wish it was a little bit more red. Y'all know I'm always going to shoot it straight with y'all. But this scream Dodgers, man. I like the Kobe All-Star. That was the dope sneaker, but it was too much white in it. This one is it. Like I told y'all earlier in the video, man, these Jackie Robb joints is fire. Baseball shoelaces, like, these had it all, man, but these got some baseball situations too. So we're going to get into it right now. Unboxing time. Look at the box, y'all. Look at the box. We have never seen this Kobe box. Never. Ever, ever. They went crazy Black Mamba on this box with the gold hits all around. Huge Kobe signature and gold on the top. But the whole box is Black Mamba, man. You even got some gold hits right here on the ring, man. Super dope. It reads Kobe Protro Game Royal White. Even when you flip open the lid, it's all black. But the tissue paper's even Black Mamba with gold hits. Luxury item here, man. You would think a luxury item was in here. And what's crazy is the gift from Mambas didn't look this luxury, man. And that was a black and gold shoe by itself around Christmas. So you get a lot of that tissue paper. Then you get some white tissue paper. And here's a 360 view of the right shoe. The Kobe 6 Protro Los Angeles Dodgers, man. I did the right side first because the left side got the huge sandwich bag that Nike said they're going to take away. Is not good for the earth, but somehow we always get one still. But let's get it, man. All right, let's start with the toe box. Of course, if you've seen the Grinches, man, you get that Mamba skin, that Black Mamba skin all through the sneaker, just like your Grinches. But that blue is hitting, man. That Dodger blue. Listen, I'm from New York. I love Yankee blue, man. But Dodger blue is pretty too, guys. So when you get to the middle, you get a white swoosh. Look like it's painted on because it also still has that reptile skin all through it. So it kind of look like it's painted on. It's not a different material. But that's dope. Come to the back here. You get your number 8 here, man. I'm happy they went with 8 and not 24. But maybe on the other shoe they got 24. I'm not sure. But I'm happy they went with 8. Even though Kobe was great in both jerseys, man. I think he scored 10,000, 20,000 points in both jersey numbers. But that 8 is hard and is a braze. It's hitting up. Come to the back. They got a Kobe signature like we see on every Protro. but I like it in red, man. I like it in red. You know, Kobe's yellow and purple. It's very rare we seen something red from Kobe, man. And the inside, it looks just like the outside, man. More hits. You get that night zoom there. This is a night zoom technology, just like the Grinch, just like the reverse Grinch. But you get that hit here. Let's get to the tongue. The tongue has the baseball stitching in red around the tongue. So I told you, just like them Jackie Robs, they do got some baseball looks. You get a nice rubber Kobe logo on the tongue also. And the tongue is somewhat plastic, but the shine looks like it's metallic, guys. As you creep down, look at this design on the tongue, guys. Come on, man. It looks like translucent. I'm not sure if it's just more snake. It looks like more snake. Nothing to do with baseball. But this is fire. The tongue stitching is fire. The inside has a red Kobe logo also. Get to the bottom, you get a white Kobe logo. Looks like more snake at the bottom too, man. So far as baseball, on the right side, you get the stitching on the tongue and you get that 8 jersey number that looks more like the Dodgers jersey numbers than the Lakers. Here's the left hand, so it just went with 8. They didn't go with 24 at all. But to be honest, guys, I'm not sure if 24 would have fit, like fluid, like flushed right here. Unless they would have put like the 2 up and then the 4 down. So it probably wouldn't have did flush. That's probably the real reason why they went with 8. But like I said, they could have went with any jersey number. I would have been fine. I'm just happy it's a hit there. You don't get shoe trees, guys. You get balled up tissue paper. Like I told you, the left side has the shoelaces. So if you're trying to check for fakes, the left side has the shoelaces and a huge Nike pouch. It comes with a white shoelaces with blue hits, which I think is more fire. But I think a red pair will really make this sneaker stand out. The inside has that Jordan 11 carbon fiber look. I like that, man. Kobe was inspired by a lot of stuff Jordan, even when it comes to the sneakers. But I like that look. Going back to the swoosh, I want to get closer so I can see why I said it looks like it's painted on. And that just like baseball, you know, the lines on the diamond, the chalk or whatever. This is definitely baseball inspired, guys. If you know exactly what, let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, man, these are the Kobe Dodgers. Yes, sir, man. So whenever Undefeated dropped they started giving winners out, I seen tons of people on Twitter. I hit. I didn't even check my email. I was just hoping my bank account told me that Undefeated took some money from me. And they did. $210 price tag. I ain't mad. I really like these, man. The sneaker was at $700. It dipped to $5. Right now, I believe it's around $350. I wouldn't care. It's a Kobe. I know it's sitting right here, man. And speaking of Kobe's, I actually just pulled the trigger on these Venice Beach joints. When I was in LA, man, I just seen so many people rocking these. The swooshes 3M. I just had to get them. I probably still got these over these right now, but this Dodger colorway pretty. Yes, sir. And if you follow Vanessa Bryant, Kobe's wife, you see she just put out something because UConn just won the championship. Gigi would have been there, man. Still makes me sad, man. But she just put out a post of upcoming Kobe's. I like them all. Some of them I already got, but I like them all. But right now, I'm rocking with these, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.